How to enable secondary verification in Binance. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can enable the secondary verification on Binance. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to enable the Binance secondary verification, there are certain methods you need to follow. First of all, open the Binance application and log in into your account. After that, you just need to simply tap on your profile at the top left. You can see this yellow box icon. You just need to tap on it and tap on your user ID. After that, you will be able to see verification, security and all options. Simply tap on security and wait for it to load. So here are different kind of verification process that you can use, such as passkeys, authenticator, email or password. So right now I'm just going to use authenticator app as a secondary verification. You may also use that and simply tap on this authenticator app. After that, what you're going to do is simply click on this enable option, and then you should be receiving a verification code on your email address. You just need to type in the verification code that you received on your email address. After that, you just need to copy the 16-digit key, or you can scan the QR code and open the Binance or Google Authenticator and add a new authenticator using the 16-digit key that you just copy. Come back and verify the new authenticator in the Binance app. After this is done, you just need to enable it and go along with the process, and the two-step verification as a secondary verification method will be added on your Binance app. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.